What is up everyone, you are watching Teen Knowledge channel, and in this short video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy F12 or A12 network not working or network not showing or data not working issue. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix network or data not working issue in F12 or A12, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow your step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.